May 24 students, is time for revision now. You may have completed your first study or you may be in the process of completion, but it is important that you practice test papers properly. It is important that you revise properly. And many of the students, after the huge success of my last Brahmastra sessions, which were done in the old syllabus, many of the students requested that, sir, please come up with one more revision set lectures for the new syllabus. And I am here, all right, to shoulder the pressure with you. As you can see, I've got some tough shoulders. The detailed schedule is on your screen for final CA as well as inter CA, free Brahmastra revision lectures. My dear friends, I'm going to shoot separate lectures in English and English, because as I saw my admission database, I am very happy that lots and lots of South India students have trusted me. And for that, and then obviously I have an obligation towards them also. So there will be separate revision lectures in Hindi English mix and then in only English. For final CA as well as inter CA, as you can see, I'm ready with the entire schedule. Final CA revision will be covered in the month of March 24 and inter CA revision will be covered in the month of April 24. Please try to understand this schedule properly. It is drafted in simple words. As you can see that I'm going to upload notes on a particular date. Then on the immediately next date, I'm going to go for my Zoom live revision lecture. So first it will be taken in the Zoom live form, where 100 students can attend. Beyond 100, it will be on first come first serve basis. Beyond 100, then you will have to wait for my YouTube upload, which will be done on the following day. As you can see, the entire schedule, this is how it is going to work. Sir, what is this fourth column over here? MCQs to be uploaded on which date and on app? What is this, sir? Students, I want you to practice more and more number of MCQs. I have a dedicated team of chartered accountants who is preparing MCQs and I am reviewing them. And we are going to upload the MCQs on our app to practice it. You will also find that some PDFs will also be given on the Telegram channel. So please stay connected with our ecosystem. And MCQ guidance will be given separately on Telegram on how you can solve it through our app. Alright. So this is the entire revision schedule for CA final. And this is the entire revision schedule for inter CA, CA inter. Alright. I have also given the manner of accessing sessions. Notes will be uploaded on our mobile app. On mobile app, if you click on the top left side, there is this free material section. Alright. In that, there will be a folder of Brahmastra Revision from where you can download the notes. Alright. And if you are worried about test series, let me tell you, the test series has already begun. Alright, I came up with test series video earlier and I started test series because we had less number of Sundays left for test series. And I wanted to keep it on Sunday so that maximum students can attend it. And test series has already begun. And I'm very happy that in the first test series, the first test paper of the test series of final CA, more than 100 students attempted live test series. Alright. And I was so happy looking at their dedication. And I request more and more number of people to take the benefit of test series. Even if you're not able to attend live test series, you can still attempt it later on. And all the details and stuff, it is given on this particular video. And it is explained in a very nice manner in my Telegram channel also. Just ensure that whatever instructions I'm giving on Telegram channel, you are downloading it and doing it, and reading it properly so that you can understand. Alright. So let us start this whole exercise of Brahmastra revision, and I name it as Brahmastra because that's the only astra that you need, alright, to conquer your CA final and CA inter-level exams. The Zoom live sessions, the slot, the meeting IDs, and all the details you will find in this particular PDF. Alright, and most importantly, stay connected with our Telegram channel. I really want you to clear May 24 because one aspect is that motivates me to do all of this is obvious. The business aspect is there, I will not deny that. But the major aspect is that there are so many students, there are so many working professionals who have resumed their pursuit of this particular chartered accountancy course. And I am getting emotional when I actually say this, because normally I don't fumble this much, but it's all emotions coming out. I am very happy to see that so many people have resumed the chartered accountancy and they want to give it a shot in the new syllabus. It is very important that they feel motivated. It is very important that they clear, and I will really pray for all of you. For the next 2 months, I am all yours. All right. I will try to solve maximum of the doubts. You can ask me on the chat box of my mobile app, and my in-house students, they know that they can anytime access the doubt solving sessions which I'm conducting almost on daily basis on the Zoom live sessions. All right, so please stay connected, please spread this message. I'm not the professor who says 10 times like, subscribe, share, comment and stuff. Please spread this message everywhere, and I will be waiting for you on the other side in the month of March and April to ensure that you are 100% prepared with audit subject. Thank you so much. All the best, my dear student. All the best.